Hey guys, so I'm on the handhold vlog today. I almost forgot to vlog because I've just been crazy busy just cracking on with things. I've got my old man up here helping me out. Got wood stuff going on. It is workshop build day and massive amounts of progress today. I realise that is way too bright. That's better. So the old shed is actually gone, which is something I've been desperate to get rid of. I hated that thing. As you already know, the first door's in. Second one I'm just doing right now. Dad has helped me. It's way too dark, you can't see anything. Hold on. That's better. Okay, so now you can see us. Old man's helping out. He's just put in these support beams and made this a lot better. And now having a go at the corner for me whilst I crack on with the frame. And again, the lighting is set for being in here. So, gonna crack on with this stuff. I'll give you an update when it's all done at the end of the day. I've got clubs later on, so I've got a load of students, so I need to make sure I'm clean and ready for them in time. Then reviewing the vlog that you would probably have already seen by the time you've seen this, because it's the previous one. I've got to review that and check that I'm happy with the edits. So busy day, so let's crack on. So I said I would show you how it all finished off. So we've got the back corner through there all now done, looking good. The roof starts on. Managed to get this door in. Both doors are currently locked because it's actually the next morning. We put some temporary boards in to stop people getting in, basically. Protect it, make it a full shed temporarily before the nice cladding goes on. And all of the cladding painted, ready to go on as well. These posts are for the extra shelter that's going to go over the decking area. Yeah, work shed coming on nicely. Okay, so yesterday was a massive day working on the shed. Today I am going to pop into the Northampton University of Northampton. I can't remember how they actually name it. Either way, the university here in Northampton. I'm going to talk to my old electronics lecturer. I want to talk to him to see what other projects are going on, mostly for things that are sustainable or eco-friendly, that involve your sciences and engineering, so I can put some of those skills that I have to use in something that I feel is positive. It's not going to take me away from the Guitar Ninja at all. It's just to give me something that I feel has a bigger impact on the world in a beneficial way than just teaching guitar to a few people. I think there's local benefit through teaching guitar, and those individuals really benefit from it, but I think I want to do something that's a bit bigger, so I want to put some time and effort into these things as well. But it's a really sunny day. There is one kid here at the skate park that's just around the corner from the uni, so I'm going to get my skateboard out and have a play, and then walk around. You know, I'm quite gutted. This university is beautiful, and when I went to university here, it wasn't this campus, it wasn't as pretty as this, so I'm quite jealous that they're right next to the river and they've got these nice walks. I might even have a go down one of those walks if I get time between seeing Ango or not. So I'm just waiting to see where he is. He said he'll come meet me around this way, but he needs to walk down. So I don't know the campus, so I'm waiting purely on him. Okay, so I've just finished hanging out with him. It was an absolute great experience being able to see the old lecturer again, and may have even convinced me to try and do some further education. My H&C went really well in engineering, and it would be great to get the skills and to network with people that are further beyond. So yeah, he's got my intrigue, he's got me thinking about things from different angles. Because I teach in the evenings, I could probably manage to do some more uni things whilst maintaining the Guitar Ninja without any effects on the business at all, or any effect on my current students, anything like that. So yeah, quite an interesting thought process, but with them cutting grass, I'm sure this audio is annoying, so I'm going to make a move. Really could do with giving that a clean. Look at that. Nice. Little bit of a self-plug there, I guess, with the street sign, but I'm just walking now to go and collect my van. It's had to go in for an MOT, it needs a new tyre, and I've only just put new brake pads on it. So this month alone, this van is going to have cost me probably over 500 quid. Ouch. So, yeah, luckily, great news. I've had some students grade and I've had a couple of new ones join. So it's not as painful as it could be.
One of the hardest things about vlogging is trying to make sure that the lighting exposure on the camera is always set about right. It's actually a lot harder than you might think. Continuous changes. So obviously this video hasn't seemed like the most exciting one. I've not set off a smoke grenade and done anything crazy like that, but I thought I'll give a bit of an update because it's good just to keep those that are already following this journey on. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. This video is probably not going to be as interesting because it's just pretty much updates on what's going on. But if you enjoy it, please give us the thumbs up, you know, all of that madness, and check out some of the other videos where there's a bit more going on. So, greatest update, the improvisation course is now out on the Guitar Ninja Academy. So that's really exciting. I've been wanting to get that out for a while. It takes you through from brand new basics to being able to improvise and make up your own solos on the spot. So that's really exciting. As always, there's links to the Guitar Ninja Academy below. The improv course, unfortunately, is premium. I couldn't put that much work in and just give it away completely for free. So you would need to sign up, but it's only $9.99 a month. There's also a load of backing tracks and things on there for you to work with, so loads to go on with.
Okay, so it wasn't too painful. The MOT itself was fine, but there was an advisory for a new tyre, and because it's a van, we're talking over 100 quid for a tyre. So yeah, as I was thinking, it's going to be costing me quite a bit. And I just remembered that next month is road tax as well, and on a van like that, it's almost 250 quid. Ouch. Yeah, so that wraps the total up to like 650 to 700 pounds in just 2 months, just on the van. So where was I before the traffic caught me? Website. So on the Guitar Ninja Academy we now have the improv course. I've also uploaded all of the Riff of the Week courses for the last few months, so there's now a nice little course package there that you can use. This weekend I'm going to be helping my girlfriend move, so there's probably not going to be many more updates this week, so it's kind of a small progress week really. A couple of courses on the website, the workshop making a bit more progress, and that's mostly what I've been working on. I mean, I do have another guitar that I've restrung, but it was in nowhere near as bad a state as the blue one, so not really vlog worthy. I've also been thinking about little projects that I'd like to do for myself, but for the planet. I'd like to do something to do with sustainability, renewable sources, energy storage, so renewable sources of energy make more sense, things like that. I have got engineering and science background and a brain that works that way, which is unusual for somebody that's got a creative business, but it would be really cool to be able to use both sides. So stick with the guitar for all of my creative side, but feed that science, exploration, that curiosity that I find that comes with my engineering and science to try and develop something that I think is better. I don't even know where I'm going with that right now, but I'm making initial contacts. At first I thought with the Guitar Ninja it wouldn't make much sense to cover these things in the video, but realised that a lot of people connect to the people they're talking to. So this is me just sharing some more about myself outside of the guitar world. So if you're interested in sharing any knowledge or can think of any resources, let me know. I might do a whole video on some of the information that I've caught up with in the sustainable and eco-friendly world. There's some really exciting things happening in the world actually. It's well worth it. So I might do a whole update myself just on that. Barely guitar touched at all at some point. Anyway, this has been a long ramble about what we're doing, where I'm going, and without any huge chunks of information. So I'm going to wrap things up here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Obviously, you know, the thumbs up, subscribe, check out the Guitar Ninja Academy, leave me some comments, and I will read and reply to every single one of them. Unless your comment's just hi. I'll probably reply to hi. Maybe if your comment is just an emoji, I might not reply, but I'll reply to anything that has a question or some decent information in. So leave a comment down below and I will catch you in a new video soon.